Hello guys, okay, good morning. So today we will discuss about Elrond validators and Elrond observers. So if you want to participate on the ongoing testnet of Elrond, so we need to first, if you want to participate and you want to be an observer. So first, we will install the Go. This version is for Windows, so this is basically simple and easy step and very basic. So I use this video because most of us use Windows. So I'm going to use Windows 10 and we will install it on our computer. First, this is the link. This is from the Elrond website or Elrond team. So I'll post the description below. So check this out guys on the description of my video. So first, this is the necessary to run the Elrond validators or Elrond observers. So step 1, you need to install the Go. So click the Go, no? So first, you need to install Go, download the Go version. This is the version Go 1.13.1 for Windows 10. So let's download this. Okay. So after downloading the Go version, so we need to install this. Installs the default. So just click next. Accept agreement. Install on C. This is the default. Just install it on the default. Just click yes. Okay guys, so this guys tutorial is very easy. So if you don't have any knowledge on technical, just follow the guide here on the how to connecting from Windows. So okay, so just wait for a while. Windows Go installation. Okay, just click finish. Now we go to the step 2. So our step 2 is to install the Git. Okay. So just click this link and download the Git. Okay, so it's downloading now. This Git version is 2.23.0 for 64-bit Windows. So guys, check your PC if you're using 64-bit or 32-bit. So okay, just run. Yes. And next, so install on the default. Yes. Okay, so successfully installed the Git version. So next we will go to the step 3, clone the repository and build the binaries. So we go to the CMD or command prompt. Run as administrator. Okay, so we have here. Now we will clone so just copy this step guys. So each copy is step 1 line by line. So first we need to copy number 1. Just right click on the command prompt, then click enter, hit enter. So as you can see, we now have the directory on the go path. So next, step 2 is copy. Next, keep clone Elrond, cloning Elrond. Okay. Okay, get checkout tag. So basically we are now on version 1.0.19. This is the version we are now testing. Okay, get pull. So now you go to cd laptop. Okay, from the Elrond configuration. Next, change to the Elrond config. Git pull. So as you can see guys, we have step 1, step 3, we have 18. So we need to cut. Okay, just wait for a while it's downloading the Go Mode vendor. So guys, if you want to apply for a validator, so every week there's an registration on the Google form, so you need to register your later I will teach you how to register on the form. So you need to submit the pen files in the initial pen page. After that, we will go to start next number 17. Okay, so it's done now. Let's copy na number 17. Okay, next. 18. Okay, so it's done. So we are now on the step 4, creating the nod's identity. So only 4 steps. So in order to be registered in Elrond network, a node must possess 2 types of secret key and public key pairs. So one is used to identify the node's credential used to generate transaction, having the sender fill its account address, and the other is used in the process of blockchain signing. Please note that this names. Okay, so next. Okay, copy the change generator, cd generator, build. Let's key generator that. So it's done. Next we have step 5, copying credential and starting the node. So the previous generated .temp files needs to be copied in the same directory where the node binary resides in order to start the node. So okay, let's copy that. Number 2, the node config. This is the initial node escape. Okay. So we have here that. Okay, so we are now finished. So we have now to run the node X. So let's hit the node X. So we are now an observer. So hey guys, so we are now an observer. So if you want to run for node validator, so you need to register. So they have some registration every week before the beginning of the new testnet. So we need to sync around 18,167. So we are here, 18,168. So we have 2 hours to sync on the network. So let's check our public key. So this is the public key. So maybe let's check to that validator testnet. So we are now on observer. So let's check our public key. So let's enter our public key here. So where do we see our public key? So we go to the privacy. Let's check it. It's here. So source. So this is not here. So we go to the user files. So this is the version. Source. GitHub Elrond network. Elrond. So let's see, CMD node. So let's check our initial address. So let's check what is here. So this is the private key for, okay, let's check again. So this is not the one. So this is the initial balance. So these are public key. So let's check our public key. So let's check. So I think it's not working because we are not yet fully synced on the network. So let's try. So it's not here. So because we are not fully synced on the network. So if we are fully synced, we will see our address there. So something like this. So this one. So let's check other. So okay. So that's it, guys. That's simple way how to run an observer. So